Flowering shrubs add drama and color to the garden. Plant them in the back of the garden border around foundations, as hedges, or even as specimen plants. If you live where deer frequently browse, it's wise to favor deer-resistant varieties. Here are a few of our favorite deer-resistant flowering shrubs that prefer full sun. Forsythia shouts, "Spring is here!" with a burst of cheerful yellow blooms. It's fast-growing, disease and pest-resistant, and relatively carefree. Even when not in bloom, its dense growth makes an excellent hedge. Flowering quince, another early bloomer, sports branches loaded with charming red, pink, or white flowers before the leaves even appear. Depending on the variety, flowering quince can range from 3 feet to 10 feet high. Use it either as a dramatic specimen plant or as a hedge. Broom makes a lovely display with abundant yellow flowers on long green stems. It usually blooms in the spring, although some varieties flower later. It tolerates salt and wind and prefers sandy soil, making it an excellent choice for a seaside garden. Lilacs release an intoxicating fragrance that's reason alone to grow them. Depending on the variety, they grow from 3 feet to 20 feet high. By choosing early, mid, and late season bloomers, you could stretch out the bloom season for about 6 weeks. Cutting off the spent flower heads will give you even more abundant blooms the following year. Colchwitzia, also aptly named beauty bush, is known for its profuse pink flowers on arching branches. Even when not in bloom, its graceful shape and peeling bark add interest to the landscape. It's pest-free and a favorite of pollinators. It may need occasional pruning to maintain its elegant form. Spirea is one of the most versatile flowering shrubs for sun. You can find varieties that bloom anywhere from mid-spring to late summer in a wide range of heights and widths. Fast growers, they can add as much as 2 feet of new growth in a season. They bear clusters of tiny white, red, or pink flowers. Buddleia, more commonly known as butterfly bush, earns its name in spades. Most varieties bloom late summer into fall. Butterflies flock to their fragrant purple, blue, or pink flowers. The most common varieties can grow 8 to 10 feet high and as much as 15 feet wide, so give them space. For additional protection from deer, and to grow flowering shrubs that deer love, like hydrangeas and azaleas, spray your plants with Bovex repellent. Rated #1 in independent studies, it's easy to use, safe for people and pets, and won't wash off. For more garden inspiration and tips, please subscribe to our YouTube channel.